Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix SteamVR not working on PC. If SteamVR isn't launching, keeps crashing, or your VR games aren't working properly, these steps should help. Let's get right into it. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find the VR game you're having issues with. Right-click the game and select Properties. Click on Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to check and repair the files. Once it's done, try launching SteamVR again. Solution 2. If that didn't work, we'll restart Steam completely. Go to the bottom right corner of your taskbar and click the arrow. Find Steam, right-click it, and select Exit Steam. This fully closes Steam. Now reopen Steam and test SteamVR again. Next, open the Start menu and type Steam. Right-click Steam and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click steam.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check. Run this program as administrator. Disable full screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now restart your computer. After rebooting, open Steam and launch SteamVR again. And that's it. After following these steps, SteamVR should be working normally again.